Hello and welcome to Us Food and Barbecue. Today I'm gonna smoke a pork roast. I'm gonna slice it up in the end, not make pulled pork. So tag along and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is fairly simple. I've got a pork butt here. It's a boneless 2.2 kilos or 5 pound pork butt. I'm gonna do absolutely nothing to it. This looks good enough. It's got a little bit of fat, but also that's gonna render. I'm gonna cook this at somewhere between 250 and 275. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a little bit of mustard as a binder. It's up to you if you want to use that. Then we're gonna season this using Rich's River Dirt Sweet. I think that's gonna be fine. So liberally coat. Well, you know the drill. There we go. Pat the rub. We're gonna move it over to this. I have no idea how long this is gonna take because I never did this before, but I assume it's gonna take 4 hours or so. Anyway, so I've got the pork butt more or less covered with the rub. I'll show you. So this is what we have. So I'm gonna get that on the grill once the grill is up to temp. See you in a bit. Okay, so this is the way I set my kettle up. I've got a little fire going over here. Maybe 5 or 6 of the charcoal briquettes are lit. I kind of half buried some applewood under some briquettes, and hopefully that'll catch and give some smoke flavor to the meat. Cover the bottom, the charcoal grate with some aluminum foil, and I have a drip pan to catch the drippings. I will, in an hour or so, add a little bit of water to that, I think, if needed. We'll see. I don't know how much this is gonna let go. And then we're just gonna get the roast on here, something like so, and then get the probe in. I'm just gonna shove it in like sideways to go in the thickest part, just like that. And there we go. Okay, I'm gonna monitor this with my XR50 and I'll meet you back in a couple of hours. Okay, so been running about between 240 and 260. It's reached 150 internal. I totally forgot about it, so because I'm kind of working today. So this is what it's looking like. I want to get it up to 175, but I also want to have some sauce with it. So what I have here is I boiled about 1 quart of beef broth. There we go. So it's down there. Yeah, we got more than halfway of charcoal left. So anyway, it looks kind of nice. Oh, I'm not gonna leave it. See you all in a bit. Okay, so we've reached 176. Time to get it inside. Okay, so let's not trust this. I'm gonna temp it. A little bit over 175. Yeah, nice and tender. 180. 172. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna get that inside and try to get the tray with it. Oh well, meet you back in a bit. I'm gonna wrap this up and let it rest for a bit. Okay, there we go. So this is the gravy. It doesn't have very much fat on it. This did not render as much as the goose did, but anyway, I'm gonna get rid of the top layer here. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. Then I'm gonna simmer this down to about half and go from there. Okay, so this is down to half. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of roux flour. It's a flour that doesn't lump very well. And then to this we're gonna add 2 cups of half and half. There we go. Just gonna let that boil for a few minutes. There we go. So this has been resting for about an hour. So let's see what we have. Got a little bit of prosciutto. I'm gonna put that in the sauce after I move this to the cutting board. I think that will be easier. And there we go. Let's see what we have. So the point now is just to slice this up. there we go. This looks kind of nice, I must say. It's falling apart a little bit, so I guess it's got a little pulled pork to it, but not at all the way it usually is. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a taste. Okay, there we go, some pork roast. It's got a nice little smoke ring. Smells really nice. Very juicy, nice flavor. That Rich's River Dirt, the sweet, works great on there. I'm gonna enjoy this. It's really good. Thank you for watching. Bye.